Some people think that money is at the root of our societal problems. Close, but the opposite. I would say that it's the lack of money that is causing so many problems that we have today. It's at the root of our problems. So you can join me on this journey for the next 30 days where we'll be having a one-sided conversation to reflect, to think, to discuss on what money is, how it's being used or not being used today, and some possible solutions to rectify money, to heal it, to make it whole and useful again, because after all, it's just a tool, and so it depends on the design of the tool and who's wielding the tool, and so we want to have that in mind. So join me for this month of July, where we can really make some progress, at least in our minds and in our actions, on how to make money whole again and make the world a better place.